Today we're showing you a 2010 John Deere 7130 premium tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor is in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. It was a local trade-in. Tractor has a 740 Legend self-leveling quick attach front loader. Again, just over 1,200 hours, has 125 horsepower. Paint's in excellent condition on the tractor. It's got a nice heavy-duty bucket up front with a bolt-on cutting edge. Hook there to handle stuff if you need to hook stuff up. Paint's in great condition on the tractor. 14.9R28 front tires. Tractor does have the 3 function on the joystick, so you got the option to add a grapple or bale squeeze, anything like that. It's all ready to go for that. 18.4R38 rear tires are also in real nice shape. It's got the rack and pinion axles. It's got the 2 panoramic entry doors in the cab. 4 lights front and back of the cab. It's got triple rear hydraulics. Tractor is also GreenStar Ready. It's 540 N1000 PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. Hitch controller with the buttons on both fenders. Mirrors on both sides of the cab. Got the toolbox on the side, belt line work lights. Very clean tractor. The tractor's been stored inside. It's at a really good home. And again, just over 1,200 hours on it. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. It's got the buddy seat here to the left. Air ride seat for the operator. 16-speed power quad transmission. Got 4 ranges and a 4-speed power shift in each range. You can shift that power shift with the buttons here in the fender. Or I'm sorry, in the range lever on the toggle down here, or the loader control right here, so you have easy access to that shift anywhere. Get the 3-point controller, 540 PTO engagement, also has a 1000 option. 3 levers here for your hydraulic, command center here to the right. Got the radio up top, heat and air conditioning controls. It's got the visibility roof in the cab, so you can see what you're doing when your loader's raised. And again, this is a local trade-in, 2010 7130. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.